guys, so I've got my makeup on, got my work clothes on, girl. Alright, so I chose a ponytail that's easily picked up. This one is still being sold, well, I should say in my local beauty supply stores. It's in my local beauty supply stores. I've seen it here in Huntsville as well as Birmingham, Alabama, but it is available too on Amazon. So I will have the link to this very ponytail down below. It's by Sensational, and this is called Love Light. And I will be wearing it today in the color number 2. Now, I've reviewed this one here before on my channel, so it's one of my true favorites. I love wearing this ponytail. Now, I wrapped it as I slept last night, so I didn't mess it up, so that's why it still looks good, honey. I could stay up all night fooling with this hair. Now, with the pre-wrap, feel free to wrap it as high as you like, or you can stop it halfway. It's kind of personal preference. I like it tall. I wish I would have went a little taller, but I'm gonna settle for this. All right, so let's go ahead and get our ponytail put on. Girl, I got to get my ass out the door. This is why I love drawstring ponytails, honey. They are so quick and easy to do, and they just look so good. This looks like we went to the shop. My face looks like, girl, I went and sat down in somebody's chair. But we did it ourselves. We took our time and we did it ourselves, okay? I'm gonna show you how to save this coin, okay? Honey, we're gonna be beauty on the budget, girl. Beauty on the budget. So this is the ponytail. It has a rather long, deep wave texture to it. Really, really pretty. Now, if you wanted to poof it out, you could just pull it apart and make it bigger if you'd like. I always do that as it gets older to give my ponytail a different look. So go ahead and open it up to where you think you need it to place it on. I'm gonna go right there, but you can open it a little more if you like to make it wider. We don't need all that slack. I don't need all that. So I'm gonna take this first comb here. See this? This is the top comb. This is the bottom comb. This is where I'm gonna stick that top comb, right here at the top of my pre-wrap, right there. Yes, this works for me. I wouldn't do it if it didn't work, okay? This is what I've always done with my drawstring ponytails. So now I'm gonna bend it backward a little bit. Now I'm just pushing that comb straight in, just pushing it in. Now I'm gonna find this bottom comb here. I'm gonna stick it in the very same spot, right above the pre-wrap in the back. I'm just pushing that in just like that. Now I'm gonna find the string. I'm gonna give it a pull. Pulling that string, okay? Voila, and this is what we come up with, just like that. Bam. Now pull it as tight as you like now, or as you need to. This ponytail ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. Now, of course, when you're asking, what you do with the string? Well, you know you ain't gonna leave it dangling and swinging. You know that. So I like to push the little thing up, the adjuster, all the way up. Now I take what's left, this little bit right here, and I ball it up tight. Just ball it up as small as I can. Small as I can. And right here at the base of my ponytail, right here, I'm going to take some pins and just pin it down. Bam, just like that. Use as many as you need. I'm only using 2 because that's all I need. That's all I personally need is 2 pins. Alright, I'm not with sticking a whole bunch of pins on my scalp. I have very sensitive scalp and I feel like I can feel those pins. So, yeah girl, this is it. This is how the ponytail looks. Yes girl, really, really cute. I love the way my extended drawstring ponytail came out. Let me know what you think. Is this something that you're going to try next? Because girl, this ponytail is very, very cheap too, girl. Very affordable, very affordable. In my local beauty supply store, it's $9.99. So check it out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. I got some more drawstring ponytails coming for you, and I want to pick them up from my local beauty supply store. I'm going to start going in there and see what we have locally and what's available in the beauty supply store, so that we can, you know, kind of have things that are readily available, because sometimes it's kind of hard finding these ponytails online, girl. It's kind of hard. But that's it for me. I'll see you next time. Bye. Before I go, everything used in this video today will be down in the description box, so don't skip over the description box. Be sure to check it out, okay? Open that thing up. It has some very useful information down there.